Beno. It's from BruriahAcademy.com, and today I'm just going to give a quick overview of Bruriah Academy and how to create accounts and the different types of features. So the first thing first, you put in your email, you put in your password, and if you already have an account, you could log in. If not, you create an account. Now, creating an account, there's two types of accounts. There's the student account and there's the teacher account. The student account needs to be managed by the teacher account. It cannot have any exercises or lessons unless the teacher assigns it to it. So here we have a teacher account. We're going to log in. And the first thing you're going to do is once you've created all your students and you're going to find them over here and you're going to add them to your account. Or an alternative, if you're a teacher and you want to group your students together and assign them exercises and lessons, you're going to create a class. And then in the class, let's take an example, you're going to add the students in the class. The next thing is we have exercises. And basically, exercises is a group of challenges that are of one type. So every exercise has a type. This one's Hebrew letter, Hebrew vowel, and whatnot. You could also create an exercise, etc. I'm going to go into that in a different tutorial. Next is lessons. Lessons, you group the exercises into one lesson. So that way you could have a way of grouping the exercises and different types of exercises. The next thing is we have classes, and first you create the class over here, and then once you create the class, you will see the class in the side navigation, and you could go to the class, and basically we covered everything over here. You could add exercises and lessons and find the students, but class has another feature, two more features, and obviously we will add more features, but two main features. One is that the exercise will be available to all students in the class. So instead of assigning each one separately, you could assign it to one, and then you will be able to see them all at once. So if we were to go to the exercises, we see here the exercises, and we could see it in the other student as well, and then we see the status. Another feature is you could create homework. You could add a homework. You could go into the lesson, and you could find or the exercise, and you could go into different lessons that you have added to the class, and you could add each exercise as homework. And once you do that, you set the start date and the end date. You could select the title, and then you will see it in the All Homeworks tab. And this will be a place where you could manage different types of homework. And over here, you could view the homework by date, and you could filter it by date over here. And let's just choose and then we're able to see the homework created in the future, and you're able to see the homework and by student. So it's a powerful tool. The thing that I skipped was if you are adding students individually over here by the add students and not through the create classroom, then you'll see your student statuses over here, and this just makes it a little harder to view all the students together, but you could see the status. The last feature is you could review the incorrect. You could set it to correct, and you could play the video recordings that they got wrong and right, and you could correct it or reset it. And that is it.